This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly, slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Using the locking wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. Use cardboard to protect the vehicle paintwork. Fully unscrew the bolts or nuts and remove the wheels. Compress and remove the caliper retaining spring. Prise the upper and lower plastic caps away to access the guide pins. Using a hex bit or key, unscrew and remove the upper and lower guide pins. Lever the caliper outwards slightly to create clearance between the disc and pads. Slide the caliper from place, then unclip the inner pad from the piston and suspend the caliper from the coil spring. Take care not to strain the rubber brake hose. Pull the outer pad from the caliper mounting bracket. Measure the thickness of the pad friction material. If any pad is worn to the specified minimum thickness, all 4 front pads must be replaced. Clean the caliper body and mounting bracket. Brush the dust and dirt from the caliper and piston, but do not inhale it, as it may be a health hazard. Clean the caliper in the same manner. If new brake pads are to be fitted, the pistons must be pushed back into the calipers to make room for them. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir and remove any surplus with a syringe. Firmly press the new inner pad clip into the caliper piston. Fit the outer pad into the caliper mounting bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Remove the adhesive backing sheet from the outer pad and slide the caliper back into place. Insert the guide pins and tighten them to the specified torque. Press the plastic caps back into the ends of the guide pin sleeves. Refit the caliper retaining spring. With both sets of front brake pads fitted, depress the brake pedal repeatedly until the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc and normal pedal pressure is restored. Locate the wheel over the hub, insert and lightly tighten the nuts. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower it to the ground. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.